The ZEEKSAW Mini Chainsaw is an incredibly lightweight and portable tool, weighing just under 2 pounds, which makes it perfect for working in tight spaces where traditional chainsaws cannot reach. With an impressive chain speed of 22 feet per second, this mini chainsaw can effortlessly cut through branches up to 5 inches thick in just seconds, making it a powerful addition to your gardening tools. Equipped with a high-energy 21-volt battery, the ZEEKSAW Mini Chainsaw offers a runtime between 45 to 70 minutes, ensuring you can complete your tasks without frequent recharging. Designed with safety in mind, this cordless chainsaw includes a security switch and a splash guard baffle, and it undergoes thorough quality testing to ensure durability and reliability. The ZEEKSAW Mini Chainsaw is versatile and suitable for a range of tasks, including pruning, gardening, and woodworking, making it an essential tool for both home and professional use. The all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need, including 2 batteries, a charger, protective gear, and more, providing excellent value and convenience right out of the box.